tag. We kind of got a sign of weakness, but where's the entry? Let's see if this is an entry. Might be like a 30-second gap. Yeah, it's a 30-second order block. Okay. So the risk to reward here is going to be not good. So I'll look at that in a second. Just because we're so low that we're not going to get a 3 pip stop. So let's see. That's a 14. So 1. So the risk reward is not going to be tradable. But we're just back testing this right now because I just want to make sure this trade is done. If it's done, then I don't need to be here. So this situation seems to be done to me because it's already finished. Take profit, either smash soon or already smashed, depending on your risk to reward. And I'll show you guys that situation. So we're gonna go for a selling climax. This is gonna be the low, this is gonna be a PS.
Hi, my name is Savannah Parsons, and here on YouTube, I teach institutional trading. So are you tired of trading these head and shoulder patterns, flag patterns with 30, 40, 50 pip stop losses, and you wonder why you're not making money? It's because you're not trading like the banks. Yes, trading like the banks, trading like the institutions, institutional trading. So I teach smart money concepts. What is smart money concepts? It's imbalance, order blocks, and Wyckoff. This is exactly how the banks are trading. They're not trading these crazy cat, dog, and mouse patterns, okay? If you want to learn how to constantly have a 10 pip or less stop loss, trade only 1 to 10s, and be extremely profitable, then I want you to check out my videos here on YouTube. And if you like what you see, also join my free group chat below. And if you're really getting value and you want to elevate your trading, I actually have my own academy called smartmoneyacademy.ca. So if you click the link to my website and my free group chat, you guys will understand how the banks are actually trading, and you can actually make more money in the market. So for now, check out my videos here on YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my group chat.
PS. And this is gonna be, maybe I might have to move that. This would be our AR. We don't have trading range alignment. ST. Sal. So we don't have 3 drives up from this scenario. So we go here. YouTube. So sometimes when you're trading, you're gonna find backtest. Normally, I don't backtest it right away. I just put like a rectangle to come back. But for this, for me to kind of know if I should even still be on the situation to find an active trade, sometimes I do have to backtest it in the moment to know if this area is kind of done being dealt with. So for me, if this his take profit and starts flowing, I understand why. That's kind of the mindset behind it. So I won't put a POI alert here for no reason when I know that price might just flood down. So I'm gonna put a color just to watch it, but I don't really have anything to flag. So that's the back test. We have a 30-second order block entry to the next one. So we'll probably get halfway through the list. Okay, so it seems like we had a complex pullback where price goes up, down, up, down, up, down during the pullback. But we want to probably maintain the overall downtrend. We're getting this push down. We want to see it go below here. If not, it could just fill here and go up, continue kind of this pullback, or actually full on change the trend. So in terms of market cycle bias, I don't really have one right now. I don't know. It's going to do whatever it wants to. So let me just look at the price action. Just read the candles. Where could price go? There's no clear identifying area. So this one, I just give it more time to talk to me and tell me what it wants to do. So we're in this lovely downtrend. We're getting a pullback, manipulation right here. So in terms of this being a 50% retracement, it could come here, but it's already manipulated this area at a point of time. So it's the relevancy that it has to come here is not all the way there. So where's price gonna go? We have a gap here. Let me see where this is located.